how to apply filters to a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. So first, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Picture Gallery app. Next, in here, select a picture that you would like to apply a filter. Then we go down and tap on the Edit button. After that, tap on the Filter button right here. So this one here is the Filter button, so tap on that. And then swipe across and select a predefined filter that you would like to use. You can also create your own filter. So select a pictures and use that as a filter. Okay, so you can apply your own filters, or you can use one of the predefined filter. Once you select a filter, you can also change the strength. So here we can apply the strength to the pictures. You can change the color temperature from the filter, make adjustment to contrast of a picture, change the saturation and film grain. Okay, so after you have made the changes, then tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. So that is how you can apply a filter to a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.